हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू द कृष्णा कॉमर्स हब। कृष्णा कॉमर्स हब में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशंस। तो व्हाट इज़ रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशंस? रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन मीन्स अंडरस्टैंडिंग अ गिवन पैसेज एंड आंसरिंग क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन मीनिंग ऑफ द पैसेज, आइडियाज, थीम्स, assumptions, टोन, vocabulary, logical structure. In UGC NET, reading comprehension passages are academic, formal, logical, and often around 250 to 300 words with 5 questions. Purpose of asking reading comprehension in UGC NET. UGC test reading ability, critical thinking, ability to identify arguments, assumptions, inferences, indirect meaning, vocabulary in context, understanding writer's tone and attitude. Here are types of questions asked in reading comprehensions. Factual, direct questions. Answers are directly written in the passage. Words used according to the author, as mentioned the passage states, etc. Example, in which year? Exact answer in text. Inferential question, indirect meaning. Not directly written. You must understand the intentions. Words used implies, suggest, can be, inferred, indicates. Example, if passage says students struggled to understand concepts, inference is teaching method was not effective. फिर है vocabulary meaning questions. Meaning of a word from the context, not dictionary meaning. Tip, read previous and next sentence to understand meaning. Theme, main idea questions. Ask about central message of the passage. Option is usually simple, covering whole passage, not very specific or very broad. Next, tone of the author. Tone is writer's attitude. Common tones in UGC NET: analytical, critical, descriptive, argumentative, satirical, optimistic, pessimistic और ऑब्जेक्टिव. तो ये कॉमन टोन्स है रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन की. फिर है लॉजिकल स्ट्रक्चर क्वेश्चंस. आस्क अबाउट कॉज इफेक्ट, कंपैरिजन, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशंस, chronological order, example based explanations. Assumption questions. Assumptions mean something author believes to be true but has not said directly. Example, if passage discusses importance of teachers, assumption is education needs human involvement. How to approach reading comprehension in exam. UGC NET strategy. Step 1. Read the questions first. Do not read the full passage first. Reading question first help to know what you need to search, what to ignore, how deep you need to read. Step 2. Do a fast reading of passage, skim reading. Just focus on keywords, main ideas of each paragraph, overall theme. Third step is, now read carefully only relevant lines. Highlight keywords in your mind. Names, data, examples, definitions, comparison. Step 4. Answer factual direct questions first. These are easiest and save time. Step 5. Step 5th is attempt inference and tone questions last because these need thinking. Next important tips for reading comprehensions scoring topper tricks. Ignore extra knowledge. Only use passage content. Outside knowledge, wrong answer. Ignore extra knowledge. Only use passage content. Outside knowledge mean wrong answer. Find the main idea from first plus last paragraph. In most passages, the first paragraph introduces, the last paragraph concludes. Eliminate 2-3 options logically. First option is too broad, one is too narrow, one is extreme, never correct, one is correct. Look for keywords inside options. Often the right option will repeat same keywords from passage. Vocabulary meaning. Vocabulary meaning from context. Don't use dictionary meaning. Common mistakes students make, avoid these. Reading the passage too fast. Using outside knowledge. Choosing emotional answers instead of logical. Not understanding tone. Not reading the full options. Choosing an extreme options. Always never. तो ये कुछ मिस्टेक्स हैं जो हमें नहीं करनी होती है. Types of reading comprehensions. Passage in UGC NET. UGC NET mostly gives education-based passage, learning, teaching, ICT, evaluations, etc. Social issues, gender, environment, inequality, etc. Third is economics development. इसमें policies, growth, poverty, globalizations. फिर philosophy, psychology, जिसमें ह्यूमन बिहेवियर, कॉग्निशंस, एथिक्स आते हैं. और टेक्नोलॉजी या कम्युनिकेशन से रिलेटेड, जिसमें डिजिटल मीडिया, AI, ICT, इंफॉर्मेशन फ्लोस इंक्लूड होते हैं. तो ये कुछ पैसेजेस के टाइप्स हैं. कौन कौन से बताए? एजुकेशन बेस्ड, सोशल इशूज, इकोनॉमिक या डेवलपमेंट, फिलॉसफी, साइकोलॉजी या टेक्नोलॉजी, कम्युनिकेशंस. हाउ टू फाइंड द मेन आइडिया. मास्टर ट्रिक. रिमूव एग्जाम्पल्स, रिमूव डाटा, रिमूव स्टोरी, आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट ऑथर इज ट्राइंग टू प्रूव, व्हाट पॉइंट इज रिपीटेड. आंसर इज मेन आइडिया. Tone recognitions made easy. Objective, neutral, fact only. Critical, pointing out problems. Analytical में analyzing with arguments. Argumentative में trying to prove something. Persuasive में motivating reader. Pessimistic में negative tone. ऑप्टिमिस्टिक में पॉजिटिव टोन. PYQ pattern, UGC NET trend. Questions usually include main idea, meaning of word, inference, author's opinion, purpose of writing, argument structures, what can be concluded, which statement is true, false. तो ये हमारे पास पैसेज है। ये आपके पास पैसेज है। पहले आप पैसेज पढ़ लीजिए, फिर उसका आंसर कीजिए। तो ये आपका पैसेज है, इसको रीड कर लीजिए। मॉडर्न एजुकेशन सिस्टम फेस ए मेजर चैलेंज while technology has improved access to information. It has not necessarily improved understanding. Students often rely on quick online summaries instead of reading deeply. As a result, they develop surface level knowledge but lack critical thinking. Teachers argue that true learning requires time, patience, and meaningful engagement with ideas. Technology should support learning, not replace the cognitive effort required for deeper comprehensions. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इसका, व्हाट इज द मेन आइडिया ऑफ द पैसेज? Technology has made education easier for all students. Students should avoid using online summaries. Technology alone cannot develop deep understanding. Teachers do not want students to use the internet. तो इसका आंसर होगा सी, टेक्नोलॉजी अलोन कैन नॉट डेवलप डीप अंडरस्टैंडिंग। फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द पैसेज व्हाट इज द मेजर चैलेंजेस? तो मेजर चैलेंजेस क्या हैं इसके? Students do not know how to use technology. Technology is replacing teachers. Information is easily available, but understanding is not improving. Modern education is too expensive. तो ये पैराग्राफ है, इसके बेस पर आंसर कर लीजिए। तो इसका आंसर भी होगा सी, इंफॉर्मेशन इज इजीली अवेलेबल बट अंडरस्टैंडिंग इज नॉट इम्प्रूविंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज इम्प्लाइड inferred? Students are becoming more intelligent. B. Technology creates distractions for students. Deep learning requires mental effort. Teachers prefer traditional methods only. तो इसका आंसर भी होगा डीप लर्निंग रिक्वायर्स मेंटल एफर्ट। पैसेज सेज डीप लर्निंग रिक्वायर टाइम प्लस इंगेजमेंट mental effort. What does surface level knowledge mean? Knowledge that is incorrect, knowledge without depth or understanding, fully developed knowledge, D. knowledge learned from textbook. तो क्वेश्चन है, what does surface level knowledge mean? तो इसका आंसर होगा बी, नॉलेज विदाउट डेप्थ और अंडरस्टैंडिंग। टोन ऑफ द ऑथर इज critical. Author is pointing out the problem in education. Next paragraph है environmental problems can't be solved by technology alone. While innovations like renewable energy are important, they must be supported by changes in human behavior. People must adopt sustainable habits such as reducing waste, conserving water, and choosing environmentally friendly products. Without behavioral change, technology will only have limited impact. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इसका, व्हाट इज द सेंट्रल थीम? टेक्नोलॉजी इज हार्मफुल फॉर द एनवायरनमेंट, रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी इज नॉट यूजफुल, ह्यूमन बिहेवियर प्लेज अ मेजर रोल इन एनवायरमेंटल प्रोटेक्शंस, डी टेक्नोलॉजी कैन सॉल्व ऑल एनवायरमेंटल इशूज। तो इसका आंसर होगा ह्यूमन बिहेवियर प्लेज अ मेजर रोल इन एनवायरमेंटल प्रोटेक्शंस। व्हाट इज द ऑथर्स assumptions? Behavioral changes are essential for environmental solutions. What can be inferred from the passage? Technology and behavior must work together. Why will technology have limited impact? It cannot work without behavioral change. Tone of the author is persuasive. Writer is motivating reader to adopt sustainable behavior. थर्ड पैसेज है, आप भी पैसेज रीड कर लीजिए। Researchers believe that reading fictions enhances empathy. When readers engage with characters' emotions, they learn to understand real human feelings better. However, this effect depends on the quality of the reading experience. Casual or distracted reading does not create the same impact. Deep and attentive reading helps individuals develop social awareness. What is the key argument of the passage? Reading fictions improves empathy. According to the passage, empathy develops only when reading is deep and attentive. What is the implied in the passage? Distracted reading does not help improve empathy. Next question है, the tone of the passage is. आपने पैसेज पढ़ लिया है तो बताओ इसकी टोन क्या है? तो इसकी टोन है एनालिटिकल. Which of the following is true? Fictions guarantees empathy for all readers. Empathy is developed automatically. Quality of reading affects emotional development. या social awareness has no relations with reading. तो इसका आंसर हो गया quality of reading affects emotional development. Thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe this channel.